Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 6th of November, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, El Salvador passed the Renewable Energy Promotion Act, a regulation that offers tax breaks for a decade for consumers and businesses that bet on clean generation systems. The objective is to encourage self-consumption and boost the national renewable ecosystem. In the first case, exemptions from value-added tax are granted in the purchase, installation, or maintenance of the systems, in addition to the right to deduct these expenses from the taxable income. China continues to expand its offshore wind power capacity, backed by Beijing's renewable energy push and low prices for homegrown turbines. It comes even as some countries scale down installation plans amid inflation. China already accounts for 50% of existing offshore wind power capacity. They are set to claim 54% of new installations through 2030. The robust growth of the nation's offshore wind power market enables Chinese manufacturers to continue investing heavily in research and development. Rajasthan's wind energy sector has been virtually stagnant over the past decade. It comes even as solar power continues its meteoric rise, promoting a lopsided growth in the state's renewable energy mix. Between 2015 and 2025, the state added a modest 2 gigawatts of wind capacity. Meanwhile, solar power installations jumped by nearly 33 gigawatts according to data from the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. The Minister for the Environment and Energy in Portugal said on Tuesday in Parliament that offshore wind energy production will only be built when it is economically viable. Until then, there is no decision. No decisions have been made regarding this type of energy production. There is only a plan of potential areas for its implementation. The allocation plan for offshore renewable energies was approved by the Cabinet on the 9th of January. It defined the areas and volumes of national maritime space for the commercial exploitation of offshore wind energy. The Ministry of Energy of Ukraine announced a change in the mechanism of state support for the installation of generating units from alternative energy sources. Instead of monthly interest compensation, the population will receive a one-time reimbursement of 30% of the principal debt amount. The Ministry of Energy expects that the new decision will contribute to expanding the circle of people who can purchase and install hybrid power systems. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.